welcome back to Shades of Flavor. I'm your host Sunny M, and today we're making roasted fingerling potatoes. Now, eating potatoes gets a rap for being boring. I don't think it's boring. You got baked potato, you got roast potato, you got mashed potatoes. You can literally think of any type of potato. I came across fingerling potatoes because actually I was looking for these little round ones. My mom used to make them and I used to love them because they just used to pop in my mouth. But I went to the grocery store and I happened to come across fingerling potatoes, and I've always heard people talking about fingerling potatoes like, why are they called fingerling potatoes? Because they're the size of your finger. Why else? Anyways, because fingerling potatoes are smaller in size, they actually don't take that while to cook as much as a regular potato would be, like a Yukon, a yellow, or even a russet potato. These are so good. Oh, look at that. It's a winner chicken dinner. So without further ado, let's figure out how I make these beautiful potatoes.